I'm 77, I'll be 78 this year. I'm retired, but I used to be engineering. My complaint, about 3, maybe 4 years ago, I suddenly noticed when I was walking a sharp pain in my knee, and it went away and it came back again, and I could live with it for a long while. But over the last 6 or 9 months, maybe a year, it's got worse and worse. And now I can't walk very far without a stick, and it's quite painful. I wanted to do something about it. I went to the doctor and I was examined, told I need a new knee, but the waiting list on our National Health Service was between 18 months and 2 years. So I decided to go privately. My first impressions about the whole organisation are very good. We were met at the airport as you promised, and we brought here. We were even met by a lady who had taken time out of her own evening to come and sort us out. I was very uneasy about coming abroad for surgery, and a lot of people told me I was mad to come to Turkey, but I think I'm going to prove them wrong. Once we had the best national health service in the world, now because it's overloaded, it's not as good, and other countries have caught up and overtaken us. I can't say much about the surgery because I couldn't see what was going on, but it all went very well, and the surgeon said that he was pleased afterwards. Yeah, I didn't feel any pain. Well, after the surgery, I came back to our room, and my leg was numb. I couldn't feel very much, and gradually it recovered, and they told me I would be walking in the next day. So sure enough, the next day I came and I walked along the corridor and up some stairs and back down again. What I'm really impressed with is the level of care. 3 times a day I've had nurses come in and give me various things like injections and tablets, and take my blood pressure and change the dressing if necessary. It's really, really very, very good. I looked at 1 or 2 of them. First thing that attracted me was that the price for this one was better. So I looked at a lot of reviews and they were good. So I thought, yes, that looks okay. I'll go for that. So initially, the thing that attracted me was the price. Well, I think that I can go back and tell people that they were absolutely wrong. It was a very good decision to come to Turkey. I think people are always wary of foreign countries for medical treatment. A lot of people don't realise that sometimes the treatment in a foreign country is as good or better than we get at home. And again, one of the other reasons for coming abroad to have surgery was the waiting list in the UK. I was told I have to wait between 18 months and 2 years to have a knee operation, or pay for it, and that was twice the price of it here. One thing I would say, if anyone asks me for any advice on having knee surgery abroad, I would definitely recommend it.